This is a simple explanation of how to read a steel erection plan. Columns on a steel erection plan are denoted with a C number. C1 is that column. C2 is this column. And C1 is this column. Because this is C1, this means that this column is exactly the same kind of column as that column. The C2s are located middle of the building. All of those C2 columns are exactly the same. All the C1 columns are exactly the same. Then you have a third kind of column, a C3 column, which is different. It's directly in the middle of the plan. Beams are represented by a B and a number. B1 covers the length from here to here. Another B1 goes from here to here. B2 goes from this length to there. There's another B2 there. There's one there. There's one there. The B1s are on the outside of the building. The B2s are in the inside of the building. And the B3s are smaller, shorter. They go from that point to that point. That point to that point. Each time you see a designation for the beam, that's one beam below it. Now these beams are connected to girders. Girders are represented by G and a number. G1 is this girder from there to there to there. G1 from there to there. G1 from there to there. G1 from there to there. All the beams are connected to another beam right here or to a girder. And then the columns bring them all together. So you can see how it's kind of put together sort of like Legos, but of course in a larger scale. Now the distance between C1 and C2 is 16 feet, shown right here. So what is the distance between this point and this point? How long is the B3 beam? Well, it will be half of 16, right? B1 is 16, B3 is 8, and this is 16 here also. So the B2s would be 16. B2s are 16. B3s are 8. The G1s are 16. See that? 16, 16. Of course, it doesn't give you the column length, but you can see that from a different area of the print. But basically, that is how to read a steel erection plan.